So, we have a fairly detailed model with the default material. For lighting, I added an HDI. I'm also adding different lights. As you can see in the render, most of the details are barely visible. Now I'll show you a quick way to bring that detail back using Ambient Occlusion. Select your model and make sure it has a material assigned. Switch to the shading workspace and set the mode to Object. Press Shift-A and add an Ambient Occlusion node and a Mix Shader node. If you want to control the shadow color, you can add something like a diffuse BSDF node. For even more control, you can use a color ramp node. This setup will work on any object that uses this material. By the way, it works in both cycles and Eevee. And here's the difference between a model with ambient occlusion and one without it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.